How to make some Jamaican steak medium. I don't eat medium or rare meat, but my son requested that I made some medium steak for him. The American way is once you do the steak, you will see little blood coming from it. Mine is different. This took 10 minutes to make, and I made some chimichurri sauce on the side. So I got a piece of ribeye steak, cleaned my steak. Yes, I cleaned my meat. Then I seasoned lightly, kosher salt, black pepper, a little oregano, garlic powder, and some black pepper. No heavy seasoning, no lots of seasoning on this, because I've learned this meat is already flavored or should be flavored. Left a little fat on it because that's gonna help to let the meat taste nice. Seasoned, and I'll be doing mine in some unsalted butter. Melted my unsalted butter, and I'll be adding my steak. I allow the steak to be done 3 minutes firstly on one side, and then the next side 3 minutes. So in total I did 5 minutes. So 3 minutes first, and then 2 minutes on each side. And then on the little fat part, I also held that up, and I added some rosemary to this because it's my business. You can add your garlic if you want, chopped garlic, but I added rosemary. And I baste this as I go along so the melted butter can seep through this piece of ribeye steak. Hold the steak this way and make sure you let it get its little color. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe, set that notification bell, drop a comment, and let me know what you think about my style medium steak. I did this on medium heat. I don't want to see no blood running from no meat. My stomach is not able to tolerate that. So I baste with the butter so that it can seep through, and within 10 minutes, look at your girl steak. It might not be as pink as the American one that you have in the restaurant or you make at home, but I can tell you this piece of ribeye steak, it was 100 out of 100. Tasted really good, and I made my chimichurri sauce really spicy. It might not be as pink as the one you're used to, but I can tell you this tasted really good. I've learned over time that the longer you cook the steak, the harder it is to chew. This steak was chewy. This steak was steaking. This steak tastes just like Jamaican meal because I did it my way. Tasted really good. It was served with some mashed potatoes and some asparagus, and of course I totally forgot to share a plate of food because this was not really my dinner. My son requested that I make some medium steak for him. He enjoyed it. The only thing he said is, "Mom, next time give it 3 minutes, not 5. It had pink in it. There was no blood running from this. Some of it looked white, but listen, it still had a lot of pink, and it tasted really good. Drop in the comment section and let me know if you've ever tried medium to rare steak. Great part of beef to be eaten, and I tasted it with the chimichurri sauce. It was lit. It was really steaky. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to your girl channel. Don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what you think. Bye. Catch you in another video. Thank you.